the school year of 2022-2023, the CSJ Educational Network is moving forward in all of our programs: ministerial formation for educators, peer leadership program, and programs for parents that is developing, including a school board development program. The year has progressed beautifully well. It's happening so quickly. We're almost to the end of 2022. It's sometimes remarkable to think how much we have accomplished, particularly with our Ministerial Formation for Educators program, which allows us to give faith formation and spiritual development for our teachers and principals. And since there are more schools this year, we have more participants. And all of those have been live and in person for the totality of the year.